There's a misconception that if you start a business within your state that you just don't have to do anything. You want to just shut it down, you could just kind of put your head in the clouds and you're kind of done. That's not necessarily the case. There are ways that you need to shut your business down within your state that you should really think and look at following if you want to shut it down following your state guidelines. The first thing that I always want to consider is if you have a business partner. If you had a business partnership or you had a business relationship and you guys were in some type of thing, it's important that one, that you dissolve that partnership before you try to shut your business down because you can't really shut a business down when there are two people who are fighting to see if you guys are still a business. Second thing that you need to consider is have you paid all the debts related to your business? If you have a business debt, you cannot necessarily shut down without paying it off. For example, if you owe a vendor a certain amount of money, you can't just say, "Oh, I'm shutting my business down. I don't have to pay you anymore." No, that's not really how that works. You got to pay the vendors, you got to pay the people that you owe, your employees that you owe related to your business, and then you can think about shutting your business down. Listen up. You've got legal issues related to your healthcare business, and we have solutions for you. Let's talk about what you're going through. Grab a time in our calendar at dorismeet.com and let's come up with a strategy together to help you get to success. So, first, we got to see if you have any partnerships. Second, we got to see if you have any vendors who are outstanding. Third, we got to make sure you paid your taxes. Okay. Do you owe the IRS any money? Do you owe your state any money? Those are things we need to consider before you can shut your business down. And then finally, you can work on looking at your state's laws and seeing what the process is for shutting it down. And that should be fairly straightforward, especially if you resolve the other issues that we mentioned before. Some people just fail to pay their franchise taxes and they're like, oh, well, I didn't pay my franchise tax or I didn't pay my state taxes. So then my business no longer exists. Well, your business has been forfeited, but there's still a record of the business. And your state will just say that your business is not in compliance. And then the issues related to business will now be just your issues and you will be personally held accountable for them. So you don't want that. That's a very bad alternative. So make sure that you're meeting with your state's local attorneys to see if you can get some guidance on shutting your business down. If you're in the state of Texas, got a healthcare business, we'd love to help you wind up your practice and shut it down in a way that doesn't give you a headache and doesn't give you liability. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye bye.